Alright, so we're going to enter more text. We are going to type, oh, we did that. Alright, so we are going to create the works cited page. And we're going to insert a page break so we can start our works cited page. So verify that the insertion point is positioned at the end of the text. Click Insert on the Ribbon tab, and then we're going to click Page Break. All right. All right, so we're going to click the Home tab on the ribbon. All right, and then our insertion point is going to be at the top of page 3. All right, so what we want to do is we want to make sure that our style is normal. Okay, and that's going to get rid of that top one that was there at the indent for the 0.5. So it's going to move back to the normal. All right, so we're going to press Control E to center our text. Let me make sure I'm all right. Control E, and then we're going to type works cited, and then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to press Control L to left align the paragraph. All right, so to do our reference, we're going to click on the References tab, and we're going to click Insert Bibliography. And then, and let's see, click in the bibliography gallery. Scroll to display the entire list of resources. Let me make sure. All right, right here is where we want to go. Okay. All right, so here are our 3 sources, and you can check it just to make sure if you want to look at that and make sure that it's right. All right, and this is about proofreading. So we are going to click the Manage Sources button. So we are going to References, and I'm trying to see, I think it's right here under Citation. So Manage Sources, and then it wants us to click on the source. We want to edit Zao. All right. And click the Edit button. And we want to delete the word and it's probably because I had done this earlier. Let me go to the second one, Edit, and we want to delete the word and from there. And then we're going to click OK. And if the dialog box appears, click yes to update all. And then we're going to click the close button. Next, we're going to right click anywhere in the bibliography, and it's going to display a menu, and we're going to click on the update field. Alright, and it should have, and it did, monthly medical review. Alright, and then we're going to click the View tab on the ribbon to display the View tab. And we're going to place a check mark in the navigation pane checkbox, View tab. So we're going to click on it. And it's going to display the document if you click on Pages. Alright, and then so you can click on the thumbnail of the first page, and this is going to get us to the top. Alright, and then let me go to, there's the view so you can see that. Click the close button in the navigation pane to close it. So we're going to close it. We're actually, I think, going to open it up again. Position the insertion point at the location for the citation at the end of the 5th sentence in the 2nd paragraph before the period. So right here. And if you want to, alright, it wants us to do it. It's going to have us move it. I think it was after keyboard here. This is where we're going to insert the citation. Alright, we're going to click References on the References tab, and we are going to, let me undo that. I have no idea what I just did. Alright, so we're going to go to the References tab here. Alright, and then we're going to insert, and we're going to click the Insert Citations button and click the first source listed for Clark on the insertion. And so now we have it there. Now I think they're going to get us to move it. So you're going to click somewhere in the citation and then position the pointer on the citation tab until the pointer changes to a left pointing block arrow. Alright, and we're going to drag it to to where it should be moved, and I believe it's going to be at the end of the paragraph. That's not even the right one. let me go back. All right, so we are going to move it, and it's still click somewhere position. All right, drag the citation tab to the location where the selected citation should be moved. Maybe this one will show us where it's going to be moved. Okay, yeah, to the end. So we're going to move that right here after S. Okay, and let's just make sure for some reason I have 2 spaces here, so I'm going to fix that. All right, and we're getting close to the end. All right, click home on the ribbon to display the home tab. All right, and then click the find button, home tab, editing group. So right here, find, and what we're going to do is type auditory, and you'll see where those 2 are. It'll highlight it. And if you click on it, or click on it over here, when we searched, it pulled up those 2 highlighted. So you can search for certain words. And I think let's see what they want us to do next. All right, so click the replace button on the home tab, editing group. We're going to do the replace, and then we're going to replace auditory with listening. And then click replace all button. And it says, if it asks you, do you want to continue searching from the beginning? Yes. We made 2 replacements. Click OK, and then click the close button. All right, and then let's keep moving on here. All right, so you can do scroll to display the second paragraph of the paper. I'm going to close out of that. So the second paragraph of the paper, right click the word continual. The second time you see continual. Let's see. Says taking continual. All right, so right here, and you're going to click on synonyms, and we want to use frequent, so we're going to select frequent. All right, and then in the next video, we are almost to the end of this project. So we'll pick up here checking spelling and grammar on the next video.